Hey, I'm going home. Where you coming? So, I need you to do something. I need you to do
What's the
something.
GPS?
I heard about you rapping and stuff, right? Yeah. I'm also doing that, but I don't even know where the studio at. And so I just need you to hook me up, show me where the studio at. I need some more producers. Okay, what's gonna be that?
Who's gonna be there?
Yeah.
You find me the
The one I heard about. I heard about you.
do what? What
Are
did
you
I
are
do?
you are you are you not rapping or something, singing or something?
Yeah, I do a lot of rap, yeah. You know, hip hop, soul, R&B. I go by Preety Middle East.
Pretty nigga, yeah, you the one, you go. Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
So it's like a mix of all that, you know.
yeah,
Me,
I heard about you.
you, right?
Come on,
I'm not
listening.
even that.
Come
I'm
on,
not
yeah,
even that famous.
yeah.
But I hit you with a freestyle.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Give me a beat. Give me a beat.
I'll just make a beatbox, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we go like, yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's so fly like a tree. So higher than the skyscraper.
Hey, give me five. I heard about you. You know, I got into this place like last week or so.
Yeah.
I started, which way you go? So I go by the name K. Austin, Kitchen and Austin, right? So I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna give you a call. Like, just
You
up
can
there.
tell me like a few of yours, you know, so I can hear how you really are.
Okay, boss, okay.
Yeah, you can send them. I will take it from there.
Alright, so,
I just stayed down by the road. But I'm actually on my way home now.
alright, when? Just like,
See that car?
yeah.
The one that's just going.
Alright. Okay, I see. Look, I just came in, so I'm into this in general. I do rap, hip hop stuff, you know. So I've been looking for a studio. Yeah, and I didn't.
Yeah.
So I want you to do something for
So
me.
you got Sheila?
Yeah, I got you last week.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for a studio. I want you to hook me up with show me where the studio is. Maybe we can do something. I know you're good. You're good. I heard about one of these tracks that you did. I can also. Alright. So I go like, mic check 1 2 1 2. Y'all gotta be careful when I come through. Stop acting like you don't know what I do. I play these rappers on my league because just call me voodoo. I'm like that, you know.
Yeah.
I'm rapping. You know, I'm motivated first time you see what's going on. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need. What's your stage name again?
Christian Austin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, never heard about you before.
Yeah.
But you can whip something out.
Yeah. So I go like, mic check 1 2 1 2. Y'all gotta be careful when I come through. Stop acting like you don't know what I do. Something like that, you know.
Okay.
Alright, so I go like, mic check 1 2 1 2. Y'all gotta be careful when I come through. Stop acting like you don't know what I do. I play these rappers on my league because just call me voodoo. I'm like that, you know.
Yeah.
I'm rapping. You know, I'm motivated by some of the niggas like Lamar, J. Cole, you know what I mean? Yeah, those are my motivation. And those underground rappers, you know what I mean? I really consider the bar. So, I'm gonna see you later, right? Yeah, I
Nah,
gotta thank you.
that's dope.
Yeah.
So I don't know. You can just send me like some of your songs, you know,
Yeah.
so I can give to my producer. because he stays up there. I just
Right.
stopped from his place now.
Okay.
So I can send it to him and then he can hear. So
Great,
just
yeah.
give me your number.
I really appreciate it. It's
0
042
042
864
864
1.
1. Okay?
Yeah. Fishing enough, right?
Yeah, okay, off.
Yeah. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Sure. I'll hit you up. Yeah, sure.
All right.
Cool. Just answer the phone when I call you, ne? So.